Oftentimes, I get questions from beginner or struggle traders who have yet to make consistent, profitable results from their trading. One of the most frequently asked questions is, should I be doing technical trading or fundamental trading? And which of these is right for me? Hi, and welcome to our excellent YouTube channel. I'm CYSoh. In this video, I'm going a little in depth in explaining to you the advantages and disadvantages of these two main types of trading, technical trading and fundamental trading, so that you are able to know which type of trading suits you most. We have got some great content coming up to help you improve your trading and investing knowledge and skills every week. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our informative updates. Thanks for tuning in. So let's get started. When you do technical trading, the primary source of analysis you will be doing is technical analysis. Let's have a look at the advantages of technical trading. The first benefit is that you will be focusing on price movements. In technical trading, the primary emphasis is on studying price movements and historical market data. By closely analyzing past price behaviors, technical analysis aims to uncover trends, patterns, and signals that can guide trading decisions. It's like studying the map of where a stock has been to figure out where it is going to go next. You will be probably looking at candlestick price patterns, chart formations like a double top and bottom, head and shoulders, triangles, all of those stuffs. This focus on the price dynamics provides you a foundation for understanding market behavior and making informed trading decisions. The second benefit is short-term opportunities. Now, if you are the kind of trader who's all about seizing those quick price movements, technical analysis is definitely your buddy. It's tailored for those short-term price movement, helping you ride the waves of rapid price changes within shorter time frames. Now, technical analysis provides advantages for short-term traders who are keen on exploiting rapid price fluctuations within shorter time frames. Now, the tools and methodologies within technical analysis are designed to quickly identify and respond to short-term trading opportunities, making it a valuable approach for traders to take advantage on the short-term price movements. The third benefit is quantitative tools and indicators. Technical analysis provides traders a toolbox full of quantitative tools, including various indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, just to name a few of them. Now, these tools can be used to gauge market conditions and trends. If you can use technical analysis to develop a systematic and structured trading system with profitable trading strategies, it's even better. It's like having a set of clear signals telling you when to get in and when to get out, so you can take emotions out from trading altogether. And lastly, the benefit of technical analysis or technical trading is objective approach. Now, what's cool about technical analysis is that it keeps things real with an objective approach. It relies on cold and concrete data from price charts and indicators. Now, this objectivity helps you mitigate the impact of emotional trading. You are trading based on the tangible facts and figures laid out right in front of you, rather than subjective feelings or even the market sentiment. If you're using technical analysis with lots of emotion in your trading, then I suggest you to evaluate whether you are using technical analysis the right way. Now, let's get into the disadvantages of technical trading. The first disadvantage, limited fundamental insights. One downside to the whole technical analysis game is that it lacks consideration for understanding the deeper stuff. The underlying factors that drive price movements. Yes, you can see price goes up and down, but you may not have a complete understanding about the market conditions or the reasons behind price changes, because technical analysis doesn't give much attention to these underlying factors. So you might miss out on the bigger picture of what's really driving the market. We are talking about fundamental factors, which I will be covering later in this video. The second disadvantage, which is the missed fundamental catalyst. Now, important news events, economic data releases, and even geopolitical developments can significantly impact markets. Relying solely on technical analysis by just looking at price and volume and ignoring other things else, these might cause traders to overlook such as fundamental catalyst. If you're doing just purely on technical analysis, you will be busy crunching numbers and staring at charts, and it might just turn a blind eye to some major game changers. Now, think of it like this. Important news, economic reports, or even global news can come in and shake up the market like a storm. So relying solely on technical analysis might cause traders to overlook such fundamental catalyst. The third disadvantage, ignoring market sentiment. Technical analysis may not fully capture shift in market sentiment influenced by the external factors. It might not fully grasp the mood swings of the market, especially when the external factors are pulling the strings. Knowing the vibe out there, which is the market sentiment, is kind of like having a sixth sense in trading. But if you are all in technical analysis, you might be missing out those subtle shift in mood that can be a real game changers. Understanding the broader sentiment can be crucial, especially in volatile markets. Now, let's dive into fundamental trading. When you do fundamental trading, the primary source of analysis you will be doing is fundamental analysis. Let's have a look at the advantages of fundamental trading. The first advantage, holistic understanding. Okay, so when we talk about fundamental trading, we are going deep, like diving into the economic ocean kind of deep. We are not just looking at stock prices. We are checking out economic indicators like GDP, inflation rate, unemployment rate, and many other indicators. Financial statements like PE ratios, revenues, earnings, etc. Industry trends, and even what's happening on the global stage. It's like seeing the whole picture, not just only a snapshot on price or even the chart. Now, this holistic approach gives you a real understanding of the asset or product that you will be trading. These are the factors behind that are driving price movements and price changes. The second advantage, long-term perspective. Fundamental analysis is often used by medium to long-term investors or traders who aim to capitalize on the medium to long-term growth potential of the assets that you are trading. It's a strategy for those who play the long game. Now, we are talking about investors or traders who are eyeing the distant horizon for growth potential. If you're in it for a marathon and not the fast game, then fundamental analysis is definitely your go-to strategy. The third advantage of fundamental trading is guidance for value. Fundamental analysis can help you identify undervalued or even overvalued assets by comparing their intrinsic value to market prices. It helps you figure out if a stock is a hidden gem or it's too bling or overvalued for its own good, whether it is cheap or expensive compared to other products. Now, by comparing the company's intrinsic value with its market price, you get the guidance of whether it's undervalued or overvalued. Now, let's go into the disadvantages of fundamental trading. The first disadvantage, time intensive. Fundamental analysis requires significant research and analysis of economics and financial data. It might not be suitable for those traders who prefer quick decision making. Now, here's the thing about fundamental analysis. It's not for the faint of heart or for those who are impatient, and you just can't rush in and expect to make quick decisions immediately. Fundamental analysis requires time for serious research and analysis, digging into economic and financial data, which means you are not making quick decisions. It might not be suitable for traders who prefer quick decision making. The second disadvantage, which is subjective interpretation. Now, imagine this. You and your friends are watching a movie and everyone has a different opinion about the story. So that's a bit like fundamental analysis. Assessing all of the economic factors can be a bit subjective. Different analysts might look at the same data and all of them may be seeing through with different lenses. So it's not always a black and white. There are a bit of mix in with the science as well as art. So evaluating fundamental factors can involve a degree of subjectivity and interpretation, which can lead to different opinions of the asset's value. The third disadvantage is long-term focus. Fundamental analysis is more aligned with a medium to long-term investing, or if you intend to hold trading positions from months to years. Short-term traders might find it less useful for quick decision making because it's all about the long-term game. If you are looking into make quick money in a week, now this might not be your go-to strategy. So for short-term traders, this might not be your preferred method of trading. Now that I have provided you a brief explanation about the advantages and disadvantages of technical trading and fundamental trading. So, how do you choose between these two? Alright, let's talk about choosing your trading style first. If you're a kind of trader who is in for quick profits and if you're seeking thrill from price fluctuations, then technical trading might be more suitable as it is geared for short-term traders where it provides you the tools for you to navigate the market. However, if you are a person who takes time to think things thoroughly or having slow reaction, then being a long-term investor or medium to long-term trader tend to be more suitable for you. Then you will be looking for value and growth potential. Fundamental trading could be more relevant to you. Now it's like having a compass for a long journey, helping you identify those hidden gems with lasting potential, looking at the medium to long term direction. So if you want to go fast, go for technical trading. If you want to go a little bit slower, you can go for fundamental trading. The next thing that you might be looking at is the hybrid approach. Some traders and investors combine both technical and fundamental trading. They might use fundamental analysis to identify medium to long-term trends and potential opportunities, while using technical analysis for short-term timing. It's like having a strategic plan for the long-term game and tactical moves for the quick wins. And the last factor that you might want to consider is your skills and preference. Now, let's get personal for a moment. Consider yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, your skills, your knowledge level, your personality, and your preference. If you're kind of person who loves looking at charts, interpreting charts, and able to follow trading rules and make quick decisions, then technical trading might be your cup of tea. You will be making trading decisions based on charts, technical indicators. You need to develop practical trading strategies and systems that are profitable. And on the other hand, if you enjoy reading, if you enjoy analyzing economic data, industry trends, and even analyzing stories behind the numbers, then fundamental trading might be your cup of coffee. Now it's like being a financial and economic investigator, piecing pieces of information together to understand where the market might be heading. So in short, ultimately, successful trading and investing often involve a great degree of flexibility and adaptability. Some traders even transition between technical and fundamental trading approaches depending on the market conditions and their evolving strategies. Now, it's important to thoroughly understand and practice whichever approach that makes the most sense to you, and continuously refine your strategy based on experience and feedback from the market. All right, so that's it. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you better understand the advantages and disadvantages of both technical trading and fundamental trading. Each of them has its own unique strengths and weaknesses, and look at different perspectives in the market in order to make trading and investing decisions. If you find this video informative and useful to you, please share this video and give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please consider clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, this is CYSoh. Good luck and good trading.